In order to use the voice typing on POCO M8 Pro, first of all, we can open Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down and choose Additional Settings, and then in here we should be able to go to Languages and Input. Now go to Manage Keyboards, tap on Gboard. Now in here we need to find voice typing, and of course we want to make sure that it is enabled. We can also toggle faster voice typing in case you wanted to use that. Now we should be able to, for example, open any app that we want to use, that we want to, for example, search somewhere. So let's press this plus over here. And now we can find this microphone over here on the right side. So if you tap over here and grant the permission, you should be able to say anything out loud and it should be converted into a text. So there we go. And once you are done with your sentence, sometimes it stops and sometimes you have to press the microphone again. So it depends actually. But that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.